In this video, I'm going to share with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon, Etsy, TeePublic, and Redbubble. If you like this kind of content and you get any value from this video, make sure to give this video a like. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today that I saw that is starting to trend is recycle, reuse, renew, rethink. Now the reason this is trending is because Earth Day is coming up. So Earth Day, we're going to see, is in April. It's Saturday, April 22nd of this year. So that's why this is trending. It's always a good idea, like I always say, just to check to see why something might be trending, just to make sure that's not in like some type of Netflix series or in some type of like Bad Bunny song or Taylor Swift song or something like that. So when we type in recycle, reuse, renew, rethink, we see that nothing of that sort pops up. And when we go ahead and take a look at the competition and the design, so it actually says 121 results here, but if you scroll down here and you go to the third or fourth page, you're going to see there's actually more results. There's like, I saw over 1,000. So this isn't the lowest competition niche on Merch by Amazon. It is on the other platforms, but it is trending, and we're going to see what some of these designs look like. So right here, this one was just uploaded. What's the date today? The 6th, so just 4 days ago. We could see, look at this, very simple design at a 38, sitting at a 38,000 BSR at a pretty good price, so pretty good royalty. So we can see that this niche is selling. The majority of people are doing just the RE and then the recycle, use, and new, just in smaller text. You might want to try like adding in some type of clip art. You know, it's Earth Day, so just maybe, look for some Earth Day clip art, see if you can add something in, just try to do something kind of a little different. Maybe use the curvy text. That's another thing. I always like to recommend the boho rainbow, the messy bun. Those are like kind of the classic ones. But yeah, so this is what the designs look like in the competition. If we go ahead and take a look at test to see if this is trademarked, when I type in recycle, reuse, renew, rethink, and hit enter, we're going to see that these two pop up, but they are dead and they're not even in the 025 t-shirt category. In my course, which I'll get into a little bit later, I teach you how to read and understand trademarks, which is a really important part of being a Merch by Amazon or just a POD seller. But if we look at the competition on some of the other platforms, we're going to see only 634 results. So this could be a really good opportunity for us on Etsy. I saw that this is actually trending on Redbubble. So if we go to Redbubble, when you type in the phrase, you're going to see that there's actually a ticker going up. So right here, if we just click on that, there's going to be like an arrow going up that basically says like the stock market. So that means it's trending. So right here, you see the arrow going up. So that's how you can tell if something is trending on Redbubble. But we're going to see here, only 179 results for Redbubble for a niche to be that low. For a trending keyword, that's really good. Now I would probably use the thumbnail as a sticker instead of just doing like what everybody else is doing and doing the t-shirt. You kind of want to zig when everyone is zagging, be kind of different. And plus, the best-selling product on Rebel by far is the sticker. And then if we go to TeePublic, we will see what some of the other designs look like. One thing maybe to consider here to differentiate yourself would be to, upload a design on a white background and use, like a different color text or something like that, like black, for example, just so you can be kind of different. Nope, got to sale on Etsy. So that's what the competition looks like here on TeePublic. If you're looking for designs or graphics or clip art, you can go to Creative Fabrica or Creative Fabrica, however you want to say it. When I type in recycle, reuse, renew, rethink, this pops up right here. Let's just click on this because you want to always check the licensing, because some of the times you can just take them and you can just upload them as is onto all the print-on-demand sites. But sometimes if it just says commercial use, you have to use it as an element basically, and you have to add in some other images, other text, other clip art. But right here we're going to see it says commercial and full POD usage allowed. So you can just actually download this and you can just upload it onto all the POD platforms and not get in trouble. Now I do have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica. So if you just go to any one of my videos and you go into the description right here where it says my favorite POD tools, you're going to see this Creative Fabrica link. If you click on this, I do get a small commission, but Creative Fabrica offers a ton of value. It's only $5 a month. You do have to pay the whole amount, which I think is like $59 for the year. but it breaks down only $5 a month, and you get so much with Creative Fabrica. Not just designs or clip art, but you also get fonts. You also get courses, which not too many people know about. You know, you can like learn, and they also have the AI Spark, which is really cool. It's not just t-shirt designs. I mean, they're doing everything like to, what are they doing? Patterns now, PNGs, all types of cool stuff. So definitely check out Creative Fabrica if you're interested. If not, it's all good. And if you are struggling to get sales on like Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Etsy, I actually have some courses that you might be interested in. So here's my Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $9.99. You get 16 lessons over an hour of content. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Same thing, step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Only $9.99, 20 lessons. And then the one that I just came out with is my Etsy course, everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. Also only $9.99, 14 lessons. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Etsy. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales, and I've made close to $39,000 in royalties. And if we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000 in royalties, with my best month being in June of last year, $317. And I forgot to pull up my Etsy stats, but I've made a lot of money on Etsy as well. Just gonna have to take my word for it. But yeah, so if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. And if you're looking for more t-shirt design ideas, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just giving you like design ideas, trending niches, evergreen niches, to make you more sales on Merch by Amazon, Etsy, Redbubble, and TeePublic. I also started doing shorts as well. I have them on TikTok as well, so if you want to follow me there. The link's in the description as well. Okay, so that's going to be the video for today. Again, the niche or the phrase is recycle, reuse, renew, rethink. This is trending because Earth Day is coming up. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.